This is the unboxing of my new kettle that I got from Amazon. It's a whistling kettle. I'll take it out the box. Oh, nice. Look at that. It's rose gold because, again, because I am a girly girl and I love everything gold. And rose gold, gold. And everything that blings. But I can't bling up this. At least I don't think I can. Maybe I can. I don't know. And it probably wouldn't be a good idea, would it? I think I'm going to do a little demonstration once I get it out of the box to see how it whistles. Because it is a whistling kettle. It's hard to do this with one hand, guys. I know I should have been a little bit more prepared, right? I know. Okay, so I'm having a malfunction here. Because it's a fancy box. If you guys can see how fancy this box is. For one little kettle that you're just going to take out of it. Okay, so it has this plastic on it. Hold on, let me get some scissors. I don't know what all this is. Okay, so yeah, I'm cutting it right off. Oh, I gotta cut the other side too. So I don't know if you heard all that noise, which you're probably not going to. So I had to lift up the top. And it made a lot of noise while I did it, which I think I'm probably just going to edit that out. The things you can do with one hand, people. And the scissors. I think I scratched it up a little bit. Not too sure. There's this little thing right here to open up the top and pour it. So when you hold it like this. And here is the top. Look inside. Okay, so I'm going to get back to you in 1 second. I have to wash this before I put water in it and use it. And I'll get right back to you. Okay, guys. So, yes, I washed it. And I put water in. You can probably see the water in there. And I'm going to turn it on. I'm not going to put it too high. Well, the handles don't look like they're close. Handles don't look like they're close to, the fire. I'll turn it to right there and see. So it can whistle as quickly as it can. One thing that I noticed about this that I didn't like was when I was washing it, I was trying to get all of the water out and I couldn't. I turned it upside down. I tried pouring it out, but it doesn't all come out. So what I would suggest and what I'm going to do is when I'm finished washing it on a normal basis, when I'm finished washing it and I'm finished with the pot and everything, I'm going to pour all the water out And I'm going to take a paper towel or something and I'm going to wipe it down. Oh, look, it's making a lot of noise already. That's fast. But we'll see what happens. Anyway, so I'm going to take a paper towel and I'm just going to wipe the inside, because a lot of the reviews that I saw, not just with this one, but with a lot of the tea kettles or water kettles that I was looking for, a lot of the reviews said that they rust on the inside and that they rust easily. So I'm going to try to use paper towels to avoid my kettle rusting on the inside. So we're going to see how that turns out. Let's see, we're waiting, and fire's a decent size. I can hear it boiling or starting to boil. And that's what it sounds like, folks. I don't know if you can see the steam coming out. Another thing that I noticed is that the handle does not get hot. Well, it's a tiny bit warm, but it's not hot. You know, closer to this area is hot. But the handle, you know, here is hot, it's warmish, warmer, but here it's fine. And if you pick it up like this, my hand is not hot. It's not hot, and I can handle it and everything. So I like that. That was another thing that the reviews were saying, is that the handles get hot and the handles burn, and this is nowhere near burning. But this area is hot, of course, because that's where the steam comes. But, you know, the handle is not hot. This is not hot either. This part right here, that's hot. But this handle is not hot. This right here. So this and this is not hot. Nice. Very nice. I will try to update you in maybe a month or two and tell you how this kettle has been working out for me. Welcome back. This is a quick 3-month update on this Cuisinart whistling tea kettle. So I had told you in the video earlier that this handle doesn't get hot. Well, it does. It really does get hot. When I'm trying to get the water for my coffee or tea, when I pick this up, this is very hot. But it's not burning. I can do it. You know, I don't have to drop it. I don't have to put it down. I can handle it. It's not where this is burning. It's not as hot as this would be, or as hot as this area would be. But it does get hot. I don't have any problems with this right here. But what I do have a problem with is that it seems like it is rusting a little bit in here. I don't know if you guys can see the little bit of rust that's going on in there. Also, the front isn't as shiny as it was. If you can see that, it looks like it's coming off or something. I can't really tell what it is that it's doing. But it's doing something. For this video, I wanted to take a really good look at it. And I did see a little bit of rust or something like that. So besides that, everything is fine. It whistles. I hear it all the way. And if you guys have watched my videos, you know that my apartment is pretty big. And I can actually hear the whistle, which is very loud, all the way in my bedroom. I would still use it. I'm going to see if I can find out, you know, if it's actually rust in there, or, you know, what it is that's actually in it. It looked like a little bit of discoloration. It could be rust. could not be rust. I don't know, but I did notice a little bit of discoloration, and more than likely it is rust. I'm going to see if I can use it. And if I can't still use it after finding that little bit of rust in it, then I'll probably buy something else. But I think all of them start rusting out. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. But I just wanted to give you my 3-month update. Um, Besides the fact that I found that, I absolutely loved it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.